Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to make rice roti with simple ingredients, absolutely. Here's a simple step-by-step recipe for making rice roti at home using rice flour. It's gluten-free, soft, and delicious, perfect with chutney or curry. Ingredients: 1 cup rice flour, 1/2 cup grated carrot, 1 small onion, finely chopped 1 green chili, finely chopped 1 tsp cumin seeds, 2 to 3 tbsp fresh coriander leaves, chopped 1/2 tsp salt, warm water. Oil for cooking, step-by-step instructions. 1. Mix the dough in a large bowl. Combine rice flour, onion, carrot, chili, cumin seeds, coriander, and salt. Gradually add warm water and knead into a soft, slightly sticky dough. It should be softer than regular chapati dough. 2. Divide in shape. Divide the dough into 4 equal balls. Place a ball on a greased parchment paper or banana leaf. Wet your fingers and gently pat the dough into a thin round disc. Make a small hole in the center to help steam escape. 3. Cook the roti. Heat a nonstick pan or tawa over medium flame. Flip the parchment paper with the roti onto the pan, dough side down. Carefully peel off the paper. Drizzle a little oil around the edges, cover with a lid, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom is golden. Flip and cook the other side for another 2 minutes. 4. Serve hot with coconut chutney, tomato chutney, or a dollop of ghee. Tips: if the dough cracks while shaping, wet your fingers and smooth it out. You can add grated coconut or dill leaves for extra flavor. Use parchment paper for easy handling. No burnt fingers. Want a version without veggies or a spicier twist? Feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button.